Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Periodic acid, HiO4, cleaves vicinal diol, 1,2-diol units and also cleaves alpha-hydroxyaldehydes, alpha-hydroxyketones and 1,2,3-triols, consuming 2 moles per triol. Each pair of adjacent OH groups, or adjacent OH and ChO CH2O, consumes 1 mole of HiO4. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure. The compound is methyl glucopyranoside, a cyclic acetyl glycoside. The structure is a 6-membered pyranose ring. C1 has OMe, acetyl carbon, no free OH, C2 OH, C3 OH, C4 OH, C5 is the ring carbon, no OH, and C6 is CH2O. Moving on to the next step. Since C1 bears an OMe group, it is an acetyl glycoside, it is not a free hemiacetal. The ring oxygen connects C1 and C5. C5 has no OH. C6 has CH2O. And for the final step, count vicinal diol pairs available for HiO4 cleavage. HiO4 cleaves between carbons bearing OH groups, or OH and the equivalent. The free hydroxyl groups are at C to C3, C4 and C6 as CH2O. C1 has OMe, not OH. C5 has no OH. Opening the ring for analysis. In periodate oxidation of a glycoside, the ring must be considered open or the vicinal diols within the ring are counted. For methyl glucopyranoside, C1, OMe, acetyl, C2, OH. C1 is not a free OH carbon, so no cleavage between C1 and C2 in the acetyl sense. C2, OH, C3, OH vicinal diol consumes 1 HiO4. C3, OH, C4, OH vicinal diol consumes 1 HiO4. C4, OH, C5, ring O, no OH, no cleavage. C5, C6, CH2OH. C5 has no OH, so no cleavage here. However, the ring oxygen linkage at C1, O, C5 means the hemiacetal is protected. For methyl glycosides, periodate oxidation cleaves only the free vicinal diols. For methyl alpha-D-glucopyranoside, the known result is that it consumes 2 moles of HiO4, 1 for C2, C3 diol and 1 for C3, C4 diol, giving 1 mole of formic acid from C3 and fragmenting the chain. The maximum value of X is 2, corresponding to cleavage of the C2, C3 and C3, C4 vicinal diol pairs. Why other options fail? A. 1. Undercounts, there are 2 vicinal diol pairs. C. 3. Would require an additional vicinal diol pair not present. D. 4. Far exceeds available vicinal diol pairs. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.